Hi, welcome back to the channel. Yeah,
Hello.
I've actually managed to get her to sit down for 5 minutes and do a update.
Cheeky.
Well, it's true.
Well, you've been busy doing all these NEC vlogs.
So, what have we got planned for March?
Yeah.
What have we got planned?
So I thought you was going to say something.
She's so out of it.
I thought you was going to say something interesting. Well, we're going away next week, aren't we? We've just decided, really, didn't we? A few days ago.
Yeah.
We'll just have a couple of days away next week.
Well, how it sort of transpired was we picked up a new Tranquil Parks book at the NEC, didn't we?
Yeah.
And as usual, she'll scour every inch of the books. And she came in, she said, "Oh, there's a new site near Stanford." So
We're going to try it out, aren't we?
we're going to try it out.
Yeah, it's called Stretton Lakes.
Stretton
So,
Lakes, it's
just
Clipsham, and it's about no more than a mile off the A1 on Kendrick Barracks exit, which was old RAF Cottesmore. It's Cottesmore and Oakham turn off, and on our way back from a trip that we went down to Northampton for, we called in on the way back and just to have a look. And yeah, it looks really nice.
Yeah, so
it's a new site.
yeah, I think it's newish.
It does have families and such, but there is a dedicated adults only area.
Yeah, I think it's families. They've got lodges, I think.
Yeah,
for families.
there's lodges and fishing lakes. I think there's about 7 fishing lakes.
Anyway.
But yeah, so we've booked that, and
We'll do a vlog on that, won't we, when we're
yeah,
there?
so we'll do a blog, give you all the heads up of what it's like there.
Might be a good stopover
off
on the A1 if you're doing a long trip.
Yeah,
north to
like
south or south to north.
If you're coming from Scotland,
or coming up the other way,
and heading to Folkestone, it's sort of a midwayish area.
Might be a good stopover for people.
And it's what 10 minutes off the A1, if that.
Yeah, it's not long,
it's not far.
5-10 minutes. Yeah.
And it looks a very good site.
Yeah, so we're looking forward to going there.
Fully serviced pitches on the adults only area, and then there are some grass pitches and such.
Anyway,
now it used to be used to have a CL part, but I'm not sure whether
that's still there.
That's still there, but we'll let you know.
Yeah, when we go.
So she's been hard at work.
Have I?
See, there's a surprise for you. She's eventually got our trip to Europe sorted.
Yeah.
We were waiting on 1 or 2 sites to reply, weren't we?
No, just the one in Poland, weren't we?
Yeah.
To reply. But we've had a reply and we're in, so all our campsites are...
All the campsites are booked.
We've got our emissions sticker for Germany.
Yeah.
All we need to do is sort the dog out.
Sort the dog out and order some zlotys, is it?
Yeah, well, yeah.
The Polish currency.
Yeah.
Although they're in the EU, they're a little bit like us. That they have kept their own currency.
Yeah, so to get currency and sort the animal health certificate out for Toby.
Yeah.
But We did that last year, so we know what we're dealing with this time. So
Yeah.
I'll have a trip to the vets next week to get all that booked in and get the paperwork started.
So that is a 32-day trip, isn't it?
Yeah.
So,
Looking forward to that.
And we're not taking Red up.
No.
We are taking our electric bikes
Yeah.
and the Trixie trailer for Toby.
Yeah, so...
Aren't we, boy?
yes, we shall...
Oh, he's looking all worried now, Trixie, he says. So
that's April and May sorted.
yeah. So, what else did we have? Anything else planned?
We've got some plans, but we haven't booked anything else.
Oh, yeah.
So we've got some things in
it's
the pipeline that we want to do.
It's to do with a 60s song,
Eh?
Winchester Cathedral.
Oh, yeah. Winchester and Chester.
And Chester, yeah. Gonna nip over and see some family.
Yeah, so yeah, we want to go to Winchester, we want to go to Chester, and we might do Scotland as well, might we? In September.
Scotland?
Yeah.
Scotland?
We've planned a trip, but we haven't booked anything, have we, for Scotland?
Yeah, not during the midgie season.
No.
Oh no, not going near the midgies.
And we've got a potential to take our grandson too as well, haven't we?
Yeah.
After
one of them, yeah.
Yeah, after speaking with Karina and Jules, we've...
yeah.
But anyway, we'll let you know when we've booked all those.
So that'll be a nice little sort of 3 or 4 day trip, that.
Yeah. So those are the things in the pipeline. Oh, and then we've got a wedding we're going to in July, and we might go to the coast for a few days around there.
Oh right, oh yeah, apparently the venue have a park up for motorhomes there.
Yeah,
so I shall have to dig out the old acre flow.
Yeah.
Just in case.
Yeah, so we might make that a couple of nights, mightn't we, by going to because it's halfway to the coast, so.
And it will not be a review of the eco flow, because I know a lot of people are peeved off in it.
So yeah, those are our plans.
Yeah. Between
now and October, probably.
So quite full on at the minute.
But what else have we got to do, Dave?
Well, as in I've got a few upgrade to do on the motorhome. But as we're not taking the up straight away, it might just be after we come back. So
we've got our habitation check, haven't we?
Oh yeah, got a habitation check
before we go away.
Rather than, well, I was a little perturbed that the dealer wanted £450 plus VAT to do a habitation check, and I thought, well, I'll ask another dealership, and that was even more expensive. So that was £475 plus VAT, and we found a independent company that sent the engineer round.
They've been somebody's had them before, haven't they? Been recommended.
They were recommended to us by the motorhome miles, Jez and Bev, and
so we've got that booked in.
We've got that booked in. So
before we go away.
Yeah.
So you'll probably do a review on that, will you?
I shall try, and if he's happy, to do the basic points of what he does. So.
And we bought a dog gate, didn't we?
Oh yes.
For the motorhome.
Yeah.
While we was at the show.
I might actually fit that.
When we go away next week.
When we go away next week.
Maybe do a vlog on. We'll do a vlog on that and a review.
Yeah. We bought that at the NEC.
Yeah. But,
And it's a family business based down south, Hertfordshire or
I don't know, somewhere down there.
somewhere down that way.
But they were on Dragonstone, weren't they?
Yeah.
Father and son.
Yeah, and they're great bit of kit.
Well, it looks like it is.
Yeah. So, from what we saw
Yeah.
at the NEC, I think we must have been back 2 or 3 times before.
Yeah.
And then he actually came to see the style of motorhome, and he said, you want this one?
Yeah, he was very good, yeah. So anyway, we'll fit that and see if it keeps Toby in.
Yeah.
So, yeah, we'll do
Instead of closing the
door
fly screen on the door.
to keep him in if we're out.
Heidi tried to escape
Under it, didn't she?
Under it. And luckily I got it all fixed back. But
yeah, well,
he's not too bad. But if he sees sometimes another dog, he'll make a bolt for the door.
Yeah, sometimes he doesn't always want to sit out when we're
No.
outside, does he? And it's a bit hot. We want to get the door open. So, yeah, we'll see how that goes.
Yeah.
I'll let you know. But apart from that, I don't think there's anything else upcoming, is there?
No.
Not now
But
you've finished
we'll let
your
you know if
marathon.
there is.
NEC vlogs.
Oh,
I haven't seen you for 2 weeks.
well, it's...
Oh, and importantly though, since you've been doing these NEC reviews and before the NEC reviews, our viewing figures have gone up tremendously, haven't they? And also our subscribers, we've hit the 2,000 mark.
Yeah, we're actually...
over 2,000. So.
When I checked about 10 minutes ago,
All right.
we had 2,085 subscribers.
Oh, it's gone up from this morning or yesterday when I saw. So thank you very, very much indeed, and
yes,
very
to
appreciative.
all the new and old subscribers.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Much appreciated.
Yeah.
And we'll try to keep you
entertained.
So yeah. So all it needs to say is, remember, if you like this, give the old thumbs up. Remember to subscribe. It's free and it helps the channel in a big way. Hit the notification bell when the drop down box comes. Hit the all, and then you'll be notified of all our new vlogs. So all it needs to say is TTFN. See you soon. Also we are off to the Swift factory to have a look at their manufacturing base on the 16th of March in the morning. So we hope to try and bring you a little bit of content on that as well, but from what I gather, that they are a little bit secretive on their processes, but I can't imagine the factory being in operation with all the eager beavers that'll be running round there. So we'll see what we can get, and we'll let you know. Okay.